Is this invisible gas the end of the silicon monopoly? Today, we explore the lethal link between semiconductors, helium, and silicon, and why one cannot exist without the other in the global chip wars. Silicon is the bedrock of the digital age, the canvas of every semiconductor. We call it a semiconductor because of its unique ability to trap and release electrons. But silicon alone is just expensive sand. The modern processor depends on turning that sand into a precision machine at the atomic level. This is where the silent partner enters the frame: helium. While silicon provides the material and the semiconductor provides the logic, helium provides the only environment stable enough to build them. In high-end fab, helium is the lifeblood of cooling systems and the inert shields that prevent silicon from oxidizing during the etching process. Without helium, 2 nanometers and 3 nanometers chips would physically melt the machines trying to create them. But as of March 2026, the helium trap has finally snapped shut. Missile strikes on Qatar's Ras Laffan evaporated 1/3 of the world's supply overnight, sending the semiconductor wars into a total tailspin. This is why our title, "Is this invisible gas the end of the silicon monopoly?" is the most critical question in tech today. If we lose the gas, the silicon monopoly collapses because the manufacturing process becomes physically impossible. Section 2. The why behind the power. The why behind the power of companies like Samsung and TSMC isn't just their silicon patents. It's their access to 6N-grade ultra-pure helium. Modern EUV lithography machines require helium to cool superconducting magnets and purge the vacuum chambers where light etches circuits thinner than a human DNA strand. This dependency has created a massive logistical trap. As AI demand forces chips to get smaller, the helium requirement only goes up. We are seeing a shift where the wars for territory are being replaced by wars for gas. The current monopolies are scrambling because, while silicon is everywhere, helium is a finite byproduct of natural gas that we are venting into space. Conclusion: the silicon age is officially at the mercy of a balloon gas. Will new recycling tech save the industry, or is the silicon monopoly about to go down? Subscribe to Silicon Siege to see our next dive into the gallium wars.